You are about to enter a space where time slows and reality fades. Welcome to the Marakowski Theatre, forged for the purest form of cinematic experience, engineered with cutting-edge 4K laser projection technology, jaw-dropping contrast, and unrelenting clarity. Every frame and every pixel precisely calibrated to perfection. Surround yourself with sound, not just heard, but felt. This is not a room, it's a chamber of immersion. This is where spectacle meets silence, where story becomes sensation, where the line between cinema and reality disappears. Silence your world. Let go of everything else. Prepare yourself. The experience begins now.